right? Conductivity symbol is sigma. Now how to find the dimension formula? Now we are going to discuss now. Now conductance or conductance symbol is G. The reciprocal of resistance is called conductance, 1 by R. Reciprocal is 1 by R. But already 1 by R can be written as rho L by A. Now that is equal to 1 by rho into A by L. So 1 by rho can be written as sigma into A by L. A by L. Very good. Now this is the G. So we need to find the dimension formula of sigma conductivity sigma. This is the sigma we need. But very simple and easy, nothing is there. So this G can be written as 1 by R. R is nothing but what? V by I. R is equal to V by I. V is equal to W divided by Q. So Q is nothing but I into T. Then I can write W. This is a numerator. W divided by T divided by denominator. Then what I can write? W by I square T. Okay. I square T. Click here. Then 1 divided by W divided by I square T. This fellow go to top. That is equal to what is the A by L. I will cancel one L. This is L is there. If I bring this fellow to here, this becomes L here. This is sigma. Now if you want again, then I will go to this side. See here. Now this is ratio operation. Numerator, one is the denominator, again W into L by I square. I square T go to numerator. Then that is equal to I square T divided by W into L. That is called sigma. We call it sigma. Okay. Now write the dimension formula. This is I square T divided by work done M L square T to the power of minus 2 into L. That to make it to right over side. So M to the power of minus 1. This is L to the power of minus 3, take to top, T cube, I square. This is the DMF of sigma. We call conductivity. Now write unit. So we know generally familiar unit. This is the what you call conductance. Unit is what is the unit of conductance? Mho. It is a meter. Denominator will come mho per meter. This all of you knows. Mho per meter. Or what is the other unit? Now I will go here. So I will take the time to denominator. That becomes joule. Ampere square per watt meter. So this is the work done. Joule per second is watt meter. This is the SI system. Please write. All of you understood that. This is called work done. Work done by time use. Work done is joule. Joule per second is watt. This is a unit name. It is not work done. Unit name W. Work power unit. Meter I square. That's it. Okay. Copy this one. Understood? Copy. Otherwise reciprocal of resistivity. All you got resistive, the reciprocity will come. Now what is the resistivity here? You can write reverse of resistivity. If you want again here also, resistivity, you write a word resistivity. Resistivity yes sir, resistivity rho is equal to right. Resistivity is reciprocal. Okay, no? Right. Reciprocal conductivity. So now you can say then 1 by you can write that you can say. So 1 by sigma is rho. Sigma is equal to 1 by whatever it is. So now what you do? So the reciprocate that is equal to m L cube t to the power of minus 3 I to the power of minus 2. That's all. All units are reverse it. Ohm meter, this is watt meter per ampere square. That's all. This is the SI unit. Understood? Copy. This is the units. Understanding? Now, complete it please. Complete it. Completed. Completed. You say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Next to go to the most important. So take this one. I'll give you the direct answer, but how you got also I'll explain. Right, sir. So you can put as a question. Write dimensional formula and unit of mu naught, 1 by mu naught epsilon naught under root. Question. I'll give answer. The answer is, anybody know answer? So 1 by square root of mu naught epsilon naught square root is we call velocity of light. Velocity, you can say. Velocity. So that is nothing but L t to the power of minus 1. So unit already you know that unit centimeter second inverse or centimeter per second. It's called velocity of light. It's called a CGS system. And SS system meter second inverse or meter per second SSC, what called MK system. MKS and SI both are same only. But how you got? So here, all of you complete it first. You complete it. Now, the where, so mu naught is nothing but permittivity of the free space or absolute permeability. Permittivity of free space in case of magnetism. In case of magnetism, or absolute permeability, or you can write another name is absolute permeability. Absolute permeability. Absolute permeability. So this value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. Unit is Henry per meter or Newton per ampere square. This question I will ask you. Just I am going to prove it in my exam. Next, another one is epsilon naught is the same as permittivity of free space in electrostatics. Space in electrostatics. Statics are same thing, absolute permeability, or you can say absolute permeability. So value is, what is the value of epsilon naught value? 8.8542 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad per meter. Other unit is there, you can do it now. Up to here, please complete all of you. Please. So this is called electrostatics in magnetism. So answer is over, but method you want to find. What is the method? It is permittivity, right? Epsilon naught value, this we know. So these models are very, very important and easy. But process is, I will explain process, but it will be useful for you to learn in magnetism and electrostatics. How you got the formulas. Complete it. Right? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Now I want to discover. Okay, see here. Look here. Let's take it. Right. So we take the magnetism. So take magnetism. In magnetism, so the force of attraction two magnets. The force of attraction between two magnets. This is the magnet. This is the axis of the magnet. This I called a north pole. This I called a south pole. The pole strength I called M1. This is also M1 only. Another magnet of pole strength is M2, and I am keeping north and north nearer together. So this is a repulsive force, that is NS only. S is the pole strength is M1, pole strength is M2. 12th standard magnetism. In electrostatics, I am taking the positive charge and also positive 2 charge separated by distance of this charge is Q1, this charge name is Q2. Now what is the unit of charge? What is the unit of charge? The unit of charge is Coulomb. C. The unit of charge is Coulomb. So what is this M1 and M2? What is the meaning of M1? Pole strength. What is the unit of pole strength? Ampere meter or Weber. So unit of M is the pole strength. and the distance between them I can take in magnetism, I can take a d. D is the distance of separation between two magnets. Now, as you already know that the force of attraction or repulsion between the two magnets is given by, so mu naught mu r by 4 pi into m1 into m2 divided by d square. We call it magnetic force. Here in electrostatics, I say Fe, the force of attraction between two charges is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r into q1 into q2 by distance r square. Now both are the forces I can compare now. So by comparing Fe, Fm is equal to Fe. Will it easy? Nothing there. What is the Fm? Mu naught mu r by 4 pi into m1 m2 divided by d square, distance of separation. So similarly here is 1 by 4 pi epsilon r into q1 into q2 divided by r square. So these are the distance formulas. Distance L square or L square also cancel. This is called a dielectric constant. This is also constant. Related to the medium. This is also related to the medium only. This is called dielectric constant. Now this 4 pi cancel. Now here is ampere meter. I can both together I can say ampere square meter square. This is a charge I into t, I square t square time. Q is equal to charge is equal to I into t. Already you know that. Now this is the current ampere square. I'll cancel this fellow. Now we need this fellow. You can take this fellow to this side. 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. If I bring to this denominator. Now this is the meter square by time square. I'll take by taking square root on both sides. By taking square root on both sides. So we get, what do we get? That we get. Now, what are we going to get? By taking square root of, it will be cancelled. So if you want, I can write square root of m square by t square. M is the, what you call the length, meter, t the time, is equal to square root of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. This is the length, L square by t square. So that is this much. Now I got 1 by mu naught epsilon naught under root of. So this gives you, therefore, square root of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught, but very easy only, just to explain purpose I am writing this much. So L by t. L by t is what? Dimensional formula of velocity. L t to the power of minus. That means when magnetic field and the electric field both are interacting, you are going to get electromagnetic wave. This is called velocity of light. So that means this is called electric field. This is called magnetic field B. When magnetic field and electric field both are interacting perpendicularly or normally, we are going to get electromagnetic wave. See this one, electromagnetic wave, how should be that? This is the electromagnetic wave. Okay. Both are interacting normally. Called electromagnetic wave means velocity of light. So this is electromagnetic wave. When electric field and magnetic field interacting normally, we get electromagnetic wave. So that is nothing but velocity of light. What is the velocity of light? Velocity of c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Standard. Right, copy this one. Right now. So, like this, you are going to get the dimension formula, this one, right? Okay, complete it. Complete it. So that means what? Square root of square root of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is under root of. Otherwise 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is square of the velocity, L square to the power of minus 2. Understood? Right? Complete it, please. Next slide, most important. Completed, ma? Akshita, completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gayatri, completed, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next, most important. Right. But I'll give you a direct answer, but how you got method also, I am going to explain. That is useful for subject also, both. Right. Now, question, you take it as a question. Write the dimension formula write the DMF, dimensional formula of L by R and C into R. Write the dimensional formula of L by R and C into R. So, I'll give the solution. So, here a first point is what? Where they are given the question where L is equal to self-inductance. Self-inductance. AC circuits you are going to get. AC circuit. Self-inductance. R, what is the unit of self-inductance is? Henry. Write a short form. Henry. Symbol is H. Resistance is, R is the resistance. The resistance ohm. C is equal to capacitance. Capacitance. What is the unit of capacitance? Farad. Okay, well and good. Now, I will give directly answer. L by R and C into R, DMF of, I can say better, DMF of L by R, C into R is equal to time constant, time constant. The symbol is say tau. Then under tau. So what is the table form of tau is t only. So m to the power of 0, l to the power of 0. That if you know enough, no need to. So if you want to learn complete how you got, I can explain now. This is the answer is over. Time constant, or you can say time only, tau. After you complete it, then I'll give the method how you got that also. Completed. Completed. Completed, ah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Right, ma. Next. అమ్మా నమస్తే అమ్మా రేపు నుంచి పంపిస్తారమ్మా ఓకే ఓకే అలాగే మేడం అలాగే మేడం లేదు క్లాస్ ఇప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది అది వెళ్తూనే ఉంటాయి అవును వాడి గురించే పాపం సరేమ్మా రేపు తీసుకోండి రేపు 9 అట్లా 9:30 10 కల్లా వచ్చేస్తే 9:30 9:45 అట్లా 9:30 కొంచెం వర్క్ ఇస్తాను అప్పుడు మనము 10:30 11 దాకా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు నేను టైం అయినా అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తాను అటు ఇటు ఓకే మరి ఓకే ఓకే నాన్న బట్ హౌ యూ గాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం now see here L by R. So here self-induced EMF, right? Completed. Self-induced EMF in electromagnetic induction EL is equal to EL suffix L sorry, minus L di by dt. Unit is volt only. Okay, sir. So V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I. Okay, sir. Now I can write both. You have to say take this granted. So L is equal to now from here. L is equal to negative sign. Leave it off. Now you can take a modulus better. L is equal to I can put what you call EL divided by di by dt. Okay, now this is the we know, so this I can say 1, I can say 2, so 1 by 2 I can divide it, so L by R is equal to the unit is volt only, this is the unit is volt, this is also volt. Okay, sir, right. So L is equal to how much you got? EL divided by di by dt, whole divided by V by I. So this is the voltage, this is also voltage, cancel. Now this will go to the numerator product. This will be, this will go to the numerator, this will be cancelled. And this dt go to numerator, time dt. But it is nothing but time t. Understood? Lastly, C into R. C into R. So C capacitance C is equal to Q by V. R is equal to what? V by I. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. Understanding? Therefore, C into R is equal to Q by V into R is equal to V by I. V by I. So what is the I? I is equal to Q by T. So this go to the numerator, Q cancel, that is becomes T. Understanding that therefore C into R is equal to time T only. There is m to the power of 0. And understanding that? This much is there. So no sir, example is no need of this much. Once you know that directly connect. That's why no need of with understanding purpose. Okay. Now close it here. We will close it tomorrow morning.